The new Pixel 8 Pro is now here, and although the iPhone 15 Pro Max is nearly a month old, there are a couple of aspects of Pixel that I really like. Additionally, the Pixel 8 Pro received some significant updates, so don't get confused. The fact that both devices now have flat screens is one of the most significant updates we've seen this year. There is already an iPhone 15 Pro Max with a flat display and bezels that are even less than those on the Pixel 8 Pro. Here's the thing, the Pixel 8 Pro has one of the highest pic brightnesses on a phone, at 2400 nits. Whereas, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is just 2000 nits bright, same to the 14 Pro Max. Remember that both phones have LTPO displays, which means that 1Hz to 120 Hz is not an issue here. The Pixel 8 Pro is quite bright, thus choosing it for a brighter display is simple. As the iPhone 15 Pro Max is here with the 4422 mAh battery and the Pixel 8 Pro is here with the 5050 mAh battery. The battery performance on the iPhone 15 Pro Max was even better than the iPhone 14 Pro Max in typical usage. While gaming, the iPhone 15 Pro Max recently experienced some serious heating issues. The phone could reach temperatures of up to 48 degrees, which is high, but when used normally, it performs at its best. However, when the Pixel 8 Pro was used for a gaming test, it performed normally and lost about 4% of its battery in 15 minutes with a temperature of only 38 degrees, indicating that while the Pixel 8 Pro is now optimized enough, the iPhone 15 Pro Max's battery still outperforms the Pixel 8 Pro's. When comparing the cameras of similar smartphones, the iPhone 15 Pro Max has a 48MP main shooter, a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 12MP 5x telephoto sensor with a 25x zoom range, as opposed to a 50MP main shooter, a 48MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 48MP 5x telephoto sensor with a 30x zoom range. Now, in terms of photography, I would say the Pixel 8 Pro is a great smartphone with significant camera updates, and there are a couple of new AI functions. When compared to the Geekbench score of the Pixel 8 Pro, the performance of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is, as we all know, far ahead since it has a faster processor than the Pixel 8 Pro's Tensor Gen 3 processor. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is without a doubt your best choice when it comes to pure performance, but if you use the phone often, the difference won't be noticeable. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.